guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a Chicago vlog and a little bit of a spring reveal. I hope you enjoy this, so let's get into it. It's Saturday and it's cloudy out, but we are going to head up to one of our favorite neighborhood restaurants. Hubby and I are actually going to meet up with one of my favorite content creators, Caleb Snell. It's been a bit since we've hung out, so I'm really excited to catch up with Caleb and Zane, and we're gonna have some lunch and then probably head downtown to check out some of the shops. All right, let's go. A quick outfit of the day. I have one of my favorite lip colors. This is Tom Ford's Indian Rose. This is my Vince sweater. I just love the fun ostrich feathers on this. Frame jeans, and then to complete the look, I have my day Hermes sneakers. I love that rose gold buckle, and my newest handbag, which is the Loewe puzzle bag in that beautiful green leather caramel with the light gold hardware. Love this bag. Just a really casual, chic type of outfit. All right, guys, let's head out. What's all around? And I'm dying to tell you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I did want to share a couple of the items I picked up while I was downtown. One of the stores I stopped in was Lululemon. They had like the cutest oversized hoodie. So you can see here, this has more of an oversized silhouette. It's in that color bone, so it's definitely more of an off-white color, which I think goes really well with my complexion. It's in a medium large size. It's perfect for when I'm about to go to the gym. I warm up with this, or walking the dogs around the neighborhood. My next item is from Celine. Now this is another pair of sunglasses. If you recall, I purchased some Celine sunglasses a couple months ago in that beautiful black oval, and I love them. I tend to wear them a lot. I couldn't get Celine's tortoise shell out of my mind, so I picked up these ones. You can see it's got the Triumph logo on the back, and it's just like your basic cat eye, which I really love.
I don't think you can go wrong with this type of classic shape. It's so cute. As you can see here, more of a classic type of look, but I think it's really nice. And when I saw them, I just had to pick these up. The price on these is about almost $500. The quality on Celine's sunglasses is really good. It just feels so nice in your hand, and it has like a nice weight to the sunglasses. My next item is my latest Hermes purchase. Now, when I went into the store, I tried on all of their cashmere shawls. I was still debating about between the black, the leopard, more of a colored mixed one, and I still couldn't decide. But what my essay was able to help me out with was another pair of shoes. So this pair of shoes was something I've had on my wish list for a while, and it's never in stock. So I was pretty excited that she was able to help me get this pair. And you'll see it. It's totally my aesthetic. So hope you guys enjoy it. So I picked up the Royal Loafer. I was trying to decide between the beige or the natural. Obviously I picked the natural, and I think it's perfect. I love it with that gold buckle detail and that signature H. So chic. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. It was so fun meeting up with Caleb, and I hope you enjoyed some of my new items. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and I will talk to you in my next video. Take care.